Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Spaced Out Super Sci-Fi. How you doing? All right, today we got something special for you guys. We got the HS360, which is made by Hollystone, a drone company, one of the best drone companies out there on the market right now. And we got our hands on this HS360 by them. They sent me the drone so that way I can test it and put out my own opinion, which is my own, and they're not paying for it and whatnot. They just gave me the drone for free, so let's go check this out. All right, so I got the controller right here, and let's go to the clip. How's it going, guys? This is the Hollystone HS360 2.7K video 4K photo. Is a drone that's a 5 gigahertz drone, and then it does come with the extra battery, extra spare propellers, screwdriver, charging cable, the instruction booklet, and the transmitter to control the drone. And then let's see, now that comes with two batteries, so that way you can actually fly a little extra longer than usual, which is a great thing, especially when you're trying to capture those moments in time that you might miss, and you gotta be up in the air just to catch that, you know what I'm saying? And this is a headless drone mode. Drone. It does have two modes on it, low speed and high speed. The controller itself shows you the satellite count, GPS signal, transmitter signal, drone battery life, transmitter life, GPS mode, how far it is and how high it is from the home point, the transmitter mode, and that's it. Now, it does come with extra set of propellers. Just pay attention to the A and B that's printed on each propeller, because it won't fly exactly right if you have it on the wrong area. So make sure you guys do that. Now, the controller itself, the phone fits on the bottom half of the controller, and there's no wires to it. You just connect through it with Wi-Fi, and you'll see the drone Wi-Fi when you go into your Wi-Fi settings. The transmitter does take 4 AAA batteries, which are not included, of course. And let's see. Also, you'll be flying with the HS Fly application, and the pair is pretty easy. You just long press the power button and then place the drone on the flat level surface with the head facing forward and the tail facing towards the pilot. Then you press the power button and it turns on and it automatically does it. You might have to calibrate the compass or the drone itself, and there's instructions on the app itself. So takeoff and landing, there's one button, takeoff and landing, or you can actually start and stop the motors by pushing your joysticks to the middle diagonal. And there's a calibrating for the gyro and emergency stop and all that. So this one is actually a great drone, great to have. It does camera does go up and down 80 degrees. There is a fail-safe return to home and a smart return to home, and then the regular return to home button, so when it's low voltage you'll return to home and whatnot. All right, thank you, bye bye.